So with one key fob only, the disadvantage is you might damage the key fob and then you have a broken key fob and have no other option anymore. So I bought this protection sleeve off Amazon, where you just slide in the key and you pry out the plastic here, and it will give it a nice protection. It even shows the pony. If you want, you can put that little hanger on it, just like that. That's a real great key fob protection, and it also matches the color of my car. Looks good, right? I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you and have a good day.